What's going on today, everybody? So I'm gonna get working on these headlights and I'll show you the problem that I'm having with them. This is the headlight that I'm having problems with, and you can see how much hazing it has compared to even this one's getting pretty bad too. I don't know what's going on with it. It's got something that it's peeling off. So I want to take those off and go and clean them today. There you can really see the difference with this other set of headlights. These ones need work still, but this one's just completely fogging over and yellowing. I have no clue why it keeps doing it. I keep going with the drill and the headlight prep to fix this, but it's not good at all. And these ones have a bunch of scratches from whoever was using it before, so those still need a little bit of work, but you can definitely tell the difference between the two. And this one has some strange cracking in it on the inside of the frame or lens. So we'll see how clean we can get these headlights. Get the front bumper off. There's one little pin right here that goes in this little hole that you just push this pin through and then it will pull out. And then 3 of these right here, 1, 2, 3, one at the bottom. Now mine's been ripped because I've ripped it, managed to rip it, so there might be more, and I don't have the under panel on, but there's also one right here. Right there, and then 4 up top. Then you can just unclip it. There's pressure clips that go in here that will allow it to come off. And then also on this corner, so you grab your corner, you give it a quick little tug, and then it will pull all these out. And you just kind of work it around. And to get your headlight out, there's 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, and 1 pin, and then 4. So to take the headlight out, there's only one real clip. It's this one, it's pressure clip, and it sits like this. The STI is supposed to have, this is the leveling motor one, but I have some actually WRX headlights in this one. So I'm not using this plug. I'm only using this one for the headlights. This wire you guys you won't have. This goes to my side markers. There's actually LEDs in there. So that's next to the mud flap, the door's right there. And that's where I'm pulling power from, is from the turn signal at the headlight to give power to those LEDs to turn on, so they'll flash when this one flashes. Just finish up polishing one up, and you can definitely see a difference in the quality of the lenses between the two. So I'm going to polish this one up. I'm going to polish half of it, and we'll see what this one turns out like. But this one turned out pretty good. There's some stuff on the inside. Yeah, you can kind of tell there's some gunk on the inside, but the outside's polished all up. already tell a huge difference in the lens. Look at it a couple more times with compound. So I've got this all compounded out now, and it's time to move on to polish, and it's looking so much better than it did. Looks like it might have something up here, but that might be on the inside too. So they're looking a lot better than they did before. So I'm putting my polish and compound straight on the pads and then rubbing it into the pads. That will give me a lot less splash when I turn it on. And then when I'm also turning it on, I'm bogging the machine down, or the bench grinder down, so I can spread that material along the whole lens and not just one spot. And that way, because if I turn it on right now, it'll cause this big mess down here that I found out that's how that's done. So get the headlight, I'll turn it on, and I'll bog the machine down to kind of spread the material around. Now that we've got our material kind of spread around, I'll let it speed up a little bit. And there it's going full speed. We'll follow it. So here they are, they're all finished up, but if you can see, when you look at them sideways, those are all cracks within the plastic. That's not polishing marks or anything, I have no clue. When you look away from it, it looks completely fine. But when you get at certain angles, you can really see all those little cracks, and it's on both of them. I have no clue what it is. This one's very strange because it's only in this area right here. So I have no clue what's up with that, but they look 10 times better than they did before. So I have no clue what's up with those headlights. They've got little spider cracks all over them when you look at them forward. If you look at them from the side, it's completely fine, but when you look at them straight on, they've got so many spider cracks in them, it's crazy. Finished polishing them up, and I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do with them. Probably just make the other pair a decent set and use these ones as my cheap ones. I don't know, I guess I'm going to be building headlights down the road, but they're all polished out and they're looking really good. Might try to protect them with the little headlight protectant stuff. We'll see. So that's gonna do it for me today. I'm gonna go do something else. Take it easy, guys. Peace.